So this is from a single person, and it says, is there a way for a single person to keep their funds to pass on to their children if they need to use Medicaid for long-term care? The answer is yes, but it depends on the circumstances. So Medicaid asset preservation strategies for single people, it's a little bit more difficult because we don't have the spousal resource allowance of $60,000 or more, and we typically don't use the Medicaid compliant annuity. So what do we have left? Sometimes single people will do a Medicaid trust 5 years in advance of need. So they're really concerned about passing assets to their kids. So they, 5 years before they would need care, give them away either outright or to a trust for their kids. The thing is, if you give assets away, you have to give them away. You cannot retain any benefit. So it's really potentially impoverishing yourself to take advantage of Medicaid's 5-year look back and gift beyond that period of time. So other strategies that exist, Medicaid has an exemption. You can give away assets to your disabled child, and the disability doesn't need to be like a cognitive disability. It could be maybe your 50-year-old son has a back injury and they're on SSDI. You can give away assets, no penalty. There's other ways to give away money to a caregiver child. Those rules are really strict, so you'll definitely want to work with a lawyer. So there are ways to protect money. We also at ELG Estate Planning often will incur an intentional period of ineligibility, giving away money during the 5 years, and then apply for Medicaid, because the math simply works out that it makes sense to do so and it doesn't jeopardize the person's care. There's some programs that Medicaid has in the state of Washington that do not have a penalty period associated with giving away money. The CFC, or Community First Choice program, is one of those. There's other programs called MAGI that if the person is under the age of 65 and they need skilled nursing care and they're not on Medicare, there's no resource limit. So I think hopefully what you're getting from this is there's a lot of rules, and maybe one of those rules fits your situation and will help you keep your money. You won't know about it until you seek the help of an elder law attorney who knows Medicaid.